Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be showing you how I did this makeup look. A few of you requested this makeup look on my previous video, so I decided to do this makeup look to show you guys how I achieved it. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in learning how I came up with this look, just keep on watching and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, so to begin, I am just going to put my head wrap just to get my hair out of the way. If you guys are wondering where I get this head wrap, I get it at Amazon. They sell it there, and also you can also buy it at TJ Maxx. They do sell it there as well. So I'm going to be going in with my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. This contains aloe and cucumber and green tea. I always like to use this before I apply my makeup, just to hydrate my face and also kind of like get rid of any dry patches that I may have. And I love how this smells, you guys. It smells so good. You guys have to have this. And then what I usually do is I will go in with a primer. I like to go in with the Mineral Veil Mineral Primer, and this one is from the Hourglass. This primer is what I got recently, and you guys, this is like my holy grail primer. I love this primer, and this is pretty much my third time using it, and every time I use it I love my makeup. And I just dab just a little bit, because only a little bit goes a long way. So what you want to do is apply it in the areas where you have a large pore. So for me, it's kind of like my forehead, my nose area, where I tend to have large pores. And this kind of has a white tone to it. Don't be alarmed though, even though this has like a whitish tone, it's not going to change the color of your foundation. So if you guys are wondering. So I recently bought this Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I got this actually at Ulta, and I got it in the shade F12. This is the foundation stick that I wanted to do a review on, but I never got a chance to do it. So I will be putting this foundation on my face today, just so you guys see how it looks on the skin and how it applies and all. I like how creamy it is. It kind of reminds me of the Hourglass foundation stick. I think this was, I believe, $9. This is definitely buildable, you guys, and from what I'm seeing, it seems like it's giving me more of a luminous finish. It's nice if you're looking for that beautiful glow. So now I'm going to try to apply the concealer by Makeup Revolution. This one is in the shade C10, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. Now, I did a review on this concealer a while ago, so if you guys want to watch it, I will link it up here. And a lot of people were saying that it's pretty similar to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I wouldn't say that it's identical, but I would say that it is pretty close to the Tarte Shape Tape. And I think that concealer was only $7. So now I'm going to go in with my powder, and I am just going to powder the areas where I concealed, and I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder. I love to use this powder to set my makeup in place. I'm also going to apply it right there. We're gonna let that bake for a little bit. So a lot of you guys were asking me like what I was wearing on my eyes on my previous video, and I want to show you guys exactly what I was using. What I'm first going to go in with is my Soft Glam palette. So I am going to go in with the color Orange Soda. It's kind of like an orangey color, you guys. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to apply this on my eyes. This is just going to be like the base. Anytime you're working with eyeshadows, you definitely want to start off going light and then gradually darken it, so that way it's easier if you mess up to fix. So now that I have that in place, I'm going to go in with the color Burnt Orange, which is this color over here. And I'm going to take the same brush and just apply it there. Same thing with the other eye. Now we're gonna go in with this color Sienna, and we are going to apply that in the outer V of the eye. And we're also gonna work that forward. And I'm taking the brush M433 brush from Morphe, if you guys are wondering. So now we're gonna create a cut crease, and you guys already know I love to create cut crease. And I just feel like with the cut crease, the eyeshadow goes on a lot brighter and it looks much nicer. So and then you want to take your finger and just pat it. So for the green eyeshadow, I'm gonna take this Pirates of the Caribbean palette, and I love this palette, you guys. It's so nice. Contains all these beautiful shimmery shades like you see over here, and I am going to take the color Sea Haze, and I got this palette actually from TJ Maxx for I think $16.99. So I'm going to take this flat brush over here to apply the green. So taking that color, I'm just going to apply it right in the inner part of my eye, and then we're going to do the same thing with the other eye. This color is so pretty, you guys. You can always go in with your Fix Plus. So just by applying like some Fix Plus, you can just intensify the color. So now we're going to go back to the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to take this color called Citrus Umber, which is a brown shade. And I'm going to go in with a tapered brush. So I'm going to take the M433 brush, and just a little bit, we are just going to intensify that outer corner. Kind of want to go in circular motions and then work that towards the inner part. Now we're going to go in with the bottom part of our eyes. So I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange. I'm going to take the E36 brush by Morphe, taking the color Burnt Orange, tapping it, and we're going to apply in the bottom part of our eyelid. I'm going to take the color Sienna as well. And we're going to take a little bit of the Citrus Umber and just apply that on the outer part of the lower eyelid. So now I'm going to apply my eyeliner for this look. I like to go in with the eyeliner, and my favorite one is the Sex Kitten by Tarte, but you guys can use any eyeliner that you like. So now that I have an eyeliner, I'm just gonna dust away all the powder. So I'm gonna take now my Better Than Sex mascara, and I love this mascara, you guys. I've been using this for a long time, and I'm just gonna apply that on my eyes, eyelashes. You can definitely rock this look just with your natural eyelashes, but we're gonna be applying some eyelash extensions. I'm gonna go in with the Lily lashes, and I'm gonna go in with the Style London. As you can definitely reuse eyelashes. If you dip your eyelashes into warm water overnight, it kind of loosens up the glue, so that way it's easier for you to take it off. And that is just one of my favorite tips to use if you want to reuse your eyelash extensions. So while that dries, I'm just gonna go in with my bottom eyelashes. I like to go in with the Urban Decay Perversion mascara for my lower eyelashes. It just lengthens your eyelashes at the bottom and it just curves it a little bit. So now I'm going to do my contour, and for my contour I'm going to use the Kat Von D palette. Love this palette. So I'm going to go in and take that dark color, the darkest color there, and I'm going to bring that on the outer part of my face and just pretty much go all around my face just to give me some dimension. I take this brush over here, gonna go in with that middle color, and then we are just going to apply that as our bronzer. You can go back with the Laura Mercier and And I like sometimes to take a little bit of this, and just to define my contour a tad bit, I will bring this like this as a line. Now I'm going to take a blush, and I'm going to take this blush duo from the Beauty Crop. Comes with also a cream part too, so that way you can use that and apply it as a cream if you like. So I'm going to put a little bit of the blush just in the middle of my cheeks, just to give me a little bit more color. I'm going to take this highlight from the Amrezy by Anastasia. So I'm just going to take that color and just apply that also on my cheeks, like right there. I'm going to also apply it right here. Also in the nose. Cupid's bow. I love when I use highlight. It just intensifies everything. It just makes everything look so pretty. For my lips, I'm going to take this color from Smashbox. This is called Always On Liquid Lipstick. I love the end to this because it has like a really fine point, so it's easier for you to apply. So yeah, so that is pretty much how the whole makeup turned out. Now I'm just going to apply my setting spray. You guys, I love the MAC Prep and Prime, and this is like my go-to setting spray. I use this all the time. It just sets my makeup in place. It doesn't move anywhere. So anytime I want my makeup to last a very long time, I like to apply this. Okay guys, so that is pretty much everything for the makeup look. I think it came out really nice, and I am going to apply a lip gloss. Actually, I know for the previous video I didn't apply a lip gloss, but I am going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is called the Fenty Glow lipstick. I really enjoyed doing this makeup look for you guys, and I hope that you guys liked it too. I love this eye look, you guys, because it's very neutral, but it has a little bit of pop of color in the inner corners, which I love, especially for the summer. It's a really nice look to go with. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be doing more makeup tutorials in the future. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you can be notified when I upload more videos. And with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on my next one.